Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, we are going to discuss about fuzzy search, which is the important concept in the search domain. What is fuzzy search? A fuzzy search is used to identify similar but not identical or exact elements in the dataset or collection of words. It is also known as proximity search or approximate, string matching or fuzzy matching. Fuzzy search is widely used in the content search platform. Enterprise search engines like Apache Search, Apache Solar, Elasticsearch, Algolia use fuzzy search to provide the better experience to the user from typo, auto-suggestion, spell check point of view. Suppose on the e-commerce site or any search platform, you are searching SUGGESTIN, which is the typo for the suggestion. Even though user is typing wrong spelling of suggestion, the application would give you the exact or the correct word suggestion. So this kind of feature is implemented with the help of fuzzy search. Suppose you are typing DGO, the search engine or any search platform would give you the DOG dog. So it is like a typo. You are typing CTA, the search platform would give you CAT. These are the some examples where actually the fuzzy search is used. These are the some use cases of fuzzy search. You will find these use cases in the e-commerce website or any other website where any type of search is available. The spell check, correct word suggestion or auto suggestion, did you mean feature, typo handling. So all these features are implemented with the help of fuzzy search. So there are few logical operations are performed to reach to the correct word or the target word in the fuzzy search. First is the insertion is used to insert a character at a given position in the original word. Deletion to delete the particular character from the original word. Replace a character. Transposition, swap the character. When we talk about fuzzy search, you will widely heard of this thing, Levenshtein distance, added distance or distance. How many iterations or operations which I have listed here in the screenshot, insertion, deletion, is needed to reach to the correct or target word is called the distance or added distance or Levenshtein distance. For example, you have typed ACT, application would give you CAT. So here distance is 1 because one transposition operation is needed to swap A and C. You are typing SIC and you would get the output SICK. To reach from SIC to SICK, you need one operation, which is the addition operation, which would add K at the end of the original word. Porpoise. So this is the typo and the correct word is purpose. So here to reach from porpoise to purpose, you need two operations. First operation would replace O from U and other would add the I. So here the distance is 2 because we are performing two operations. So this is the distance. To implement the fuzzy search, below algorithms are used: Levenshtein distance, DL distance, Hamming distance, Cosine distance, Soundex algorithm. So these are the famous algorithms which are used to implement the fuzzy search. DL distance is used in enterprise search engines like Apache Solar, Algolia, Elasticsearch to implement the fuzzy search. So this is the particular algorithm which is used in the enterprise search engine. We will see all these algorithms in the separate video. If you are liking the content, please subscribe to the channel. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.